Hello friends, welcome to Fast Coder 21 free medical coding YouTube channel. Our intention is to create this channel is to help the people who are looking for jobs in medical coding, billing, pharma and nursing. If you are residing in India, don't apply the jobs in or jobs from UAE. If you like this session, please click on like button in order to motivate me and create more valuable job sessions for the coders, billers, pharma and nursing jobs. If you want to job, please watch this session until the end to get more job updates. So here we have one job for home health QA. So they have provided the mobile number. You can apply using this one. Next one is for urgent hiring, looking for following positions. Medical coder here, like here medical coder and pharmacy purchaser. So they have provided their details here. You can apply using the job. So they have provided their email ID. You can apply using this. So next one is for Central Hospital Sharjah Careers. So they are looking for nurses, medical coders. So they have provided their email ID. You can apply using the email ID. So next one is this is also for medical coder. So they have provided their email ID. You can apply using that. Next one is for medical coder Abu Dhabi. So they have provided their email ID here. You can apply using that. So next one is for Pure RCM. They have provided their mobile number and you can apply using that. Next one is for medical coder, senior medical coder. So they have provided their this is Pacific Global, so you can apply using the following details. They have provided their mobile number here. This is the job location is Noida, so they have provided their email also. You can apply using the provided email ID. So next one is for integrity. So they are looking for medical scribe, transcriptionist, medical builder. So they have provided their email ID here. You can apply using that. So now this one is for 7th October CodeVT walk-in. So like HCC medical coders. So you can apply or you can directly go to the provided address. So you can get good job. So next one is for EXL is have controllable executives. So they have provided this is also working. So you don't need to go this. This is already completed. So next one is for medical billers with Medicaid experience. They have provided their email ID here. You can apply using the email ID. So next one is for not outsourcing. So they are looking for medical coding freshers. So they have provided their email ID. You can apply using the email ID. So next one is for from home job, HCC medical coders. So they have provided their email ID here. You can apply using the email ID. So now we can see some more jobs. So next one is for insurance coordinator. So they have provided their email ID here. You can apply using that. So this is also for UAE experience. They have provided their mobile number. You can apply using that. So next one is for the this is also for medical coder. So they have provided their email ID. You can apply using that. So this is for Aculep Healthcare Private Limited. So they are looking for freshers and experience. So it is for regulatory affairs. They have provided their email ID. You can apply using that. So next one is for allied health. So they are looking for audiologist and physiotherapist. You can apply using the provided email ID. So next one is for these all are for the hospital email addresses. So you can apply using the this email address. These are also hospital email address. You can apply using the email address. Here also same. So here they are looking for assistant manager, deputy manager, finance and so this is they have provided their email ID. You can apply using the email ID. So this is also nurse assistant, female Arabic. So they have provided their email ID. You can apply using the email ID. So next one is for rapid RCM. So they are looking for subject matter expert and air candidates. So this is location is for Mohali, Punjab. You can apply using the provided email ID. So next one is for medical code with CPC license. So this is for a hospital in Abu Dhabi. So they have provided their mobile number. You can apply using the provided details. Next one is for nursing position. So nurse educator. So they have provided the email ID. You can apply using that. So next one is for this is also for nurses. So they have provided their email ID. So this is as for not outsourcing. They have provided they are looking for CP certified pressure. You can apply using this. This is for Stadium Healthcare Qatar labor room experience. So they are looking for India and Qatar. So you can apply using the provided details. Next one is for OP Billing Executive Administration Officer. So they have provided their email ID. You can apply using the email ID. So next one is for insurance coordinator. So they have provided their email ID. You can apply. So next one is for health caring hiring medical coders. They have provided their mobile number. You can apply using the mobile number. So this is for Saudi German Hospital IP medical coders. So they have provided their email ID. You can apply using that. So next one is for Aventix Omega Healthcare. So they are looking for ED facility ancillary coding. So they have provided their mobile number. You can apply using the mobile number. So next one is for insurance coordinator. So you can apply using the mobile. Next one is for AR calling hospital billing. So they have provided their mobile number and email ID here. You can apply using those. So lab location is Mohali. Next one is for team leader full time. So they have provided their email ID. You can apply using the email ID. So next one is for drug safety associate location Pune. So they are looking for freshers. So you can apply using this email ID. Next one is for IDs Argus Healthcare. So they are looking for senior process freshers. Job location Mohali. You can apply using the email and mobile number. So next one is for Pacific Access Care is helping all types of medical coders. They have provided their email ID and mobile number. You can apply using the provided details. Thanks for visiting Fastcoder 21 guys. So please click on like button to motivate me in order to provide more valuable updates regarding the jobs.